Today I'm going to teach you how to protect your DocuSign template from changes. This is incredibly useful if you want to prevent unauthorized modifications to your important documents and maintain control over your template integrity. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your DocuSign dashboard, where you can manage all your documents and templates. After logging in, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find several options for managing your account. Click on Templates. This section houses all the templates you've created or have access to, making it easy to organize and edit your frequently used documents. Now you need to locate the specific template you want to protect. Browse through your list of templates until you find the one you're looking for. Right beside the template name, you'll notice 3 dotted lines. Click on these dots to reveal a menu of actions. Then select Edit. This opens up the template editor where you can make various modifications and adjust security settings. Once you're in the template editor, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Advanced Options. Click on this to access more detailed settings that aren't available in the basic editor view. This is where DocuSign keeps its more sophisticated security and configuration features. In the Advanced Options menu, scroll down through the various settings until you come across Template Password. This is the key feature we need to protect your template. You'll see an option that says Turn on Password Protection. Toggle this setting on to activate the security feature. Enabling this means that anyone attempting to make changes to your template will need to provide the correct password first. After toggling on the password protection, you'll be prompted to create a password. Enter a strong password that you'll remember but that others won't easily guess. This password acts as your template's security barrier against unwanted modifications. Next, you'll need to retype the password to verify it. This confirmation step ensures you've entered your intended password correctly and prevents any typing errors from locking you out of your own template. Make sure both entries match exactly. Finally, look to the bottom right of the screen and click Save. This action commits all your changes and activates the password protection on your template. Your template is now secured, and anyone who wants to edit it will need to enter the password you just created. And that's it. Your DocuSign template is now protected from unauthorized changes, giving you peace of mind and better control over your important documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.